Let me check the weather app. How's the weather? We're under a hurricane. We're under a tornado watch. Oh no. Whatever. It's fine. We'll just wait until the last minute. School's canceled. Yes, I don't have to go to school because of the hurricane. But we have to stay safe. We need to go to the grocery store. Yes, we do, because we need to get all the food. Come on, we have to go. We gotta go. We have to get everything. We have to get everything. We're gonna get this. We have to get this. We need to get this. We need to get everything. We gotta clear all of this. We have to get everything. This. Oh my gosh. It's raining and thundering so hard right now. Oh my goodness. Wow. The streets are flooded. Oh my gosh. It's raining so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Damn, that's a lot. How you doing? I just want to know. It's your girl, Janelle. And yes, this is what life is like in a hurricane. And we are currently in Florida, have Hurricane Ian. He is coming our way. It's been raining. It was raining all last night. I could hear when I was trying to fall asleep. It was raining so much. Everywhere is becoming flooded. So everyone in Florida, I hope you guys stay safe. School was canceled. But of course they do it at the last minute, which is freaking so annoying. But we're still gonna have to make it up like near the end of the year. But that is freaking stupid. But yes, everyone please stay safe. All my Floridians, stay safe because of Hurricane Ian. So that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching it. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below video ideas you guys want to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Bye. Peace out.